We are welcoming you for a new episode of College Review. Today we'll talk about one more important university of Dehradun, that is UPS Dehradun University. Today we are with a student of UPS Dehradun University. Hi, your name?
Raj Mansata.
Raj, you are from?
I'm from Narsinghpur, Madhya Pradesh, sir.
And you are opting which course here?
I have opted for MBA Global.
Can I ask you a couple of questions regarding this
Sure,
university?
sir, sure.
One reason why you choose this university?
I have chosen this university for the exposure it has, the amount of curricular and extracurricular activities which are going into this college, and also I am an alumni of this college. I have done my graduation from this college. I have done my BBA Analytics and Big Data from this college. So when I got to know about MBA Global Pathway program, in which you can study 1 year in UPS and 1 year abroad, so I found this an amazing course. So that's why I joined this
So
college.
which country you are going for global immersion?
I am going to Gisma Business School, Germany.
Okay. And your name?
I myself, Arnav Agarwal,
You are from?
Kurukshetra, Haryana.
Why you joined this university? You do have other options also. Which all other options you do have regarding beside this university?
I had OP Jindal, I had NMIMS and Christ University,
Okay.
but I wanted to go to UQ,
Uh-huh.
which is in Australia, and it has partnered with UPS.
You are also the alumni of this university?
I have done
You have also
BBA.
done BBA?
Yeah, BBA Marketing major.
Okay, so tell me something about this university. Means what makes you possible to come here, or what attracts you to take admission here in this university only?
The student life here, the faculties, the exposure I have gained over the years in my BBA, that's where I choose.
How is the experience, overall experience here?
The experience is amazing. It's incredible.
Tell me something about the extracurricular activity you are.
During my graduation days, there were many societies and clubs in the college, like marketing society, dramatic society, and for sports there are variety of sports that you can play here. So I was core and founding member of the dramatic society in UPS, and currently I am the advisor of the dramatic society called UX in UPS. So that's the extracurricular part that gets me engaged to my hobbies, as well as to the academics which I follow. So that's the best part about UPS, that it has academics as well as extracurricular that can keep me engaged and keep me fresh during, because after a day long of academics, a student feels that need of fresh air. So UPS gives that.
How is the crowd here?
Crowd here is amazing. I had incredible friends, and now also I have found many of them who will be going to abroad with me.
Tell me something about the study abroad program. Means what all extra things you are facing here, which you think, means you do have some promises also by the university side.
Yeah, so actually UP has collaborated with many abroad foreign universities. So we have the course here, which is 1 year here at UPS and 1 year in the partnered university. So I have chosen University of Queensland in Brisbane.
What is the fee structure?
The fee structure of here 1 year is approx 10 lakhs, and for the partnered university it's approx 40 lakhs.
What type of placements are coming? What type of companies are coming here for the placements?
As of now, actually we don't have placements here. We would have that in our partnered universities. But for the current batch, it's going smoothly.
One thing you like here the most, one thing you don't like here. Anything you don't like in this university?
The one thing I don't like about this university personally is very far from the city. It feels like we are living in a, but this is the beauty of it, because as students we don't have our own transportation, so it feels a bit hectic to go to the city, but it's the same, the beauty of it, because we are living in this area with great AQI, because the metro cities of India don't have a great AQI.
What about the food?
The food, the campus facilities, the all type of amenities which campus gives, it's all world class.
And what about the basic amenities like recreation and all?
It's world class, sir. I have friends all over India studying in different business schools, different engineering schools, and we have compared also. The amenities which UPS provides is world class. If you want to learn in a clean, in a systematic manner, then UPS is the place for you.
So these are the students of UPS. Thank you. Thanks a lot. चलिए बात करते हैं कुछ और बच्चों से और पूछने की कोशिश करते हैं स्ट्रेटेजिक एंड कंसल्टिंग प्रोग्राम जो KPMG के साथ रन कराता है UPSC देहरादून। बेटा क्या नाम है आपका और कहाँ से हो आप?
So my name is Digvijay Pratap Singh. I'm from Lucknow.
Okay.
I am pursuing MBA in Strategy and Consulting
Okay.
over here. The thing is, it's a program जो KPMG के साथ में collaboration में है. So a lot of it is being done where KPMG के जो अभी के experts हैं, वो professors नहीं होते. They come over here, they teach us specific concepts, and the best thing is कि जब वो यहाँ पे आते हैं, तो वो industry में जो अभी चल रहा है, वो learnings हमारे पास लाते हैं. काफ़ी assignments होते हैं जो real life होते हैं, real time projects होते हैं. और उनका एक कैपस्टोन प्रोजेक्ट होता है. तो यू वोंट एक्चुअली बिलीव कि हम लोगों का जो लास्ट सेमेस्टर, बिकॉज शी इज़ ऑल्सो फ्रॉम स्ट्रैटेजी एंड कंसल्टिंग, द प्रोजेक्ट दैट आई गॉट, उसमें KPMG के जो इंडिया के हेड थे इन पब्लिक इन सेक्टर कंसल्टिंग, वी एक्चुअली हैड डायरेक्ट एक्सेस टू हिम फॉर 3 months. तो हम कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं उनसे, एंड ही वाज मोर देन हैप्पी टू टीच अस.
Okay. So this program is run only in UPS Dehradun or somewhere else?
An MBA which is so focused on MBA strategy and consulting, it's only here.
I'm pursuing MBA Strategy and Consulting in collaboration with KPMG.
Why you choose this program only? You do have other options also, like just like marketing, finance, HR, IB operations.
Yes, because it's in collaboration with KPMG and we get exposure in the industry by the experts. So it's a very good course because हमें industry के बारे में पता चलता है और वो अपने भी एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर करते हैं एंड हमें बताते हैं कि कंसल्टिंग कैसे काम करती है इन स्टेप वाइज मैनर, और हमें डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स भी देते हैं. जैसे दिग्विजय गॉट GNPS, हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन सेक्टर मिला था और हमने उस क्लाइंट की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी थी एंड इट वाज अ रियल वर्ल्ड सिनेरियो एंड क्या अभी कंसल्टिंग में चल रहा है. सो इट्स वेरी गुड.
Why you choose this college over many other colleges? Because you are from Chennai.
Yeah.
You do have many options in Chennai, Bangalore itself, in South India, many more. Why you choose this UPS?
I have my personal reason that my distant relative, she studied over here
Okay,
from
okay.
Bidoli campus.
Okay.
She graduated from here. So I decided I'll go with this. And moreover, I wanted to do something like I did my undergrad in mechanical engineering.
Okay.
So I wanted my postgraduate also something related to technical as well as management. So that is the reason I decided to do MBA Business Analytics. And when collaboration with KPMG, I felt like when I researched, then this was the only campus which provided that course.
Okay, the fee structure is same as the other programs, or is there?
No,
any
we
difference?
are paying extra actually
Okay.
compared to other programs.
Okay.
Fee structure is getting revised every single year.
Okay, so do you feel the ROI is here?
Yeah,
You get the
it
ROI in a better
depends.
way?
It depends, sir. It depends upon the luck factor and everything.
Senior से बात होती है,
हाँ, like
पूछा कि क्या है ROI, कैसा है?
it's good, sir. Actually, like on an average, we can say it depends.
Tell me one strength about this college, this university, and one weakness also.
Sure. The biggest strength of UPS, I would say, is not one but two. One is the curriculum that they design. तो आपको हम लोगों के यहाँ what you will find is थोड़ा सा concept बताया गया and it is immediately followed by a case. So a lot of practical learning comes in. Second is a lot of professors that we have over here are directly from industry. So that also brings in great learning.
So is this a visiting faculty or the?
No.
Okay.
They are who are
Regular faculty.
Yeah, regular faculty. And also we have so many workshops. One thing that this college really prioritizes is कि आपको ultimately industry में जाना है. तो अगर वो connect नहीं है, तो यहाँ से अगर आप पैकेज लेके चले भी गए, then you'll find it very difficult.
Agree.
For example, when you asked कि एक ऐसा क्या था, why you chose UPS, so this was one factor because I happened to visit it twice before finalizing my admission.
Okay.
One disadvantage, anyone?
Say that it didn't have any strategy club,
Okay.
but it was
Now
our
we have.
cohort that with the help of Digvijay it's formed.
So is this you can consider this as a weakness?
No, it wasn't a weakness, but something the strategy cohort was lacking.
I won't consider it as a weakness, but more as a challenge is that आपने पूछा कि ROI कैसा है. One thing that we can say is if you are in the top 20% of the students over here academically also, in all probability जब आपका placement भी होगा, you will be somewhere in the top 25%. So your ROI depends a lot on how much effort you really put from your side.
Yes. Hello, and what is your name?
So I am Arindam Ray from Kolkata and I'm pursuing BBA Foreign Trade.
And your name?
I'm Ananya Pandey. I'm
Okay.
from Lucknow and I'm pursuing BBA Global.
So please tell me something about this BBA with immersion program.
So BBA with immersion program is not a direct course. So immersion basically every year the university offers you
Okay.
this trip, an education excursion where you can go with them and attend seminars in world-renowned universities, visit the mini factory in Oxford, And we also had this insightful session with one of the UPS alumni,
Okay.
who's also the vice president of markets and markets.
Okay. Okay.
So we also got to know about the consultancy industry a bit for people who wish to pursue it coming forward.
We also had a seminar with the owner of the co-founder of the Oak North Bank, Joel
Okay.
Berman, at the London Business School.
Okay. So this country is same for each and every student?
It's basically a planned trip. Like for
Okay.
example, this time we went to UK.
Okay.
Last year we went to like France.
So college will charge extra for this immersion program or within
Yeah.
the fees?
No, well, for the immersion, for global pathway students, they have something in their fee structure. The immersion program is an option for every student that's studying business in UPS. So they provide you the option, you can opt for it, and then you can pay an additional fee, and they're going to pay you.
Is this really worth it?
I mean, to be very honest, it depends from person to person. For me personally, and I'm sure for her too, I think it was pretty worth it because what we have to remember at the end of the day, it's not just a regular UK trip
Okay.
that you're going to. It's more of the opportunities that you get because you're going through UPS. You get these seminars, sessions, you get to meet with industry experts. So I think it's more focused on that is what you're paying for. The
What type of
experience.
learning you do have?
It was basically industrial knowledge, and then we had new exposure about the universities about there. And then the things we are not taught in India about other things, like when we go abroad, and we experience a lot of new things.
Does it help in real placements world also?
Yeah, it does, because we
for-
get an exposure, so we have more information about the international world as well, not only just India. So it will kind of help you with the placements as well.
What about the internship?
Interns again, just second semester, but we do have an internship coming up, a social internship that is mandatory for every first year students studying here at undergrad UPS. So we are about to embark on our first internship. It's going to be a social one.
What makes you to take admission in UPS for the
For
BBA
me, the
program?
reason was that I got the Global Pathway program, because in many universities they don't offer the Global Pathway program, and over here it was very, something they were dedicated to, because I've seen many seniors going to abroad universities. So this was a chance for me to go abroad.
किस तरह की faculties आपको मिले immersion during immersion?
We had Dr. Deepak Rangi. He's amazing faculty. He's also the program lead for MBA Core. It was amazing having him. We were also our
Rahul
director,
Nanwal,
Dr. Rahul Nanwal. He's
School
our
of
director,
Business.
dean for School of Business. He was also with us for I think around 2-3 days.
Yeah.
And then he left with his university.
When we went to Edinburgh, he left it.
Right.
Or how many days it was?
8.
Right.
Eight days. One of the most unique concept which I like most in the university is the merchandising store, which we can say the runway merchandising store. Sir, please tell me something about this runway merchandising store.
Campus Vibe is the name of this merchandise store, and we came up with this concept with the idea that the students should learn by doing. So learning from doing was the major concept, because there's a lot of classroom learning which we are able to impart to the students, but to make it real learning, it's always important to go on the ground and do the real business, because real business is where everything lies, be it the finance, be it the marketing, be it the operations, be it HR, everything. With that concept, we came up with this Campus Vibe store.
What is the concept? How student is benefited from this store?
So students are actually doing each and everything work related to the store. So be it understanding what's the need of the customers, designing those products, procuring those products from the market, designing the campaign, how to sell up that product and other things, and then keeping the accounting and other things. So they need to make a proper P&L statement. They need to make this store a profitable store. That's their challenge, because once they will be able to do this thing in the real time, they can do any work around.
Hi, myself Ankit Yadav. I am managing inventory as well as finance. For my position, I am a CFO in
What you
in this.
learn from this store?
First thing I learn is practical finance. So in classroom we have taught like what is credit, what is debit, and how to manage accounts. But in the store I have to like practically manage all the things, input all the raw data, and like making the pricing strategy and all that, and also managing the stocks, what stocks we have to include, and how much stocks are remaining. This all things I learned from this.
And what is your responsibility?
So, sir, like I am the chief executive officer for this, and like my entire responsibility is to supervise the entire team about the process.
Okay.
Also, I coordinate with the authority in getting things approved. Also, at the same time, I also take up the responsibility for the procurement.
for the finances, for the operations, for the
Okay.
marketing, everything has
okay.
been under the supervision of me as a student like coordinator on the behalf of this venture.
I am working as a COO, Chief Operating Officer. So I am looking into vendor management and trying to convince people because already they are working with their external vendors. So making teachers convince them and understand them how it can be beneficial for our university and for our brand building. Also, I'm learning how we work with different kind of people because we have a mixed team of BTech, BBA and MBA and how to balance things. Someone is good at marketing, someone is good in convincing people to buy things and someone is good in designing. So we are learning all these things and how to utilize money basically, how to make profits out of it, not maintaining the dead stock but also learning what to invest in, what people are liking it. So my main responsibility is to understand customers and to order things and to look for good vendors and to make profit for us too.
सर ये concept कब start हुआ, कब से start किया और इसका overall response कैसा रहा?
We thought of this idea around October,
Okay.
and then we started working on it. And in the first week of January, we launched this, both the stores, one here in Kandoli, one in Bidoli. And response has been good. The students have been getting.
This is one of the unique concept which I haven't seen any of the university. This is the only concept which are running under you, or do you have any other concept also similar like this?
So this is our first concept. There are in pipeline. So once we will be able to, so this is the proof of concept, like POC. So once we are able to do it successfully, these students are able to do it successfully, we are definitely going to launch at least 5 more concepts in this thing.
अभी तक का क्या सिनेरियो है, कितना सेल्स हुआ, क्या प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, क्या
The exact sales figure we cannot disclose yet, but we are profitable. 3 lakh is approximate in 1 month.
Okay.
In January also.
Okay, that's great.
From both store, from Bidoli as well as Kandoli.
Okay. Sales is within the campus or outside campus also?
Only in the campus.
Okay. This sales is online or offline, both? Or
No,
only the
only
offline?
offline.
Sales?
Only offline.
So do you have any plan for the online?
Like specifically not currently we are looking for it because firstly we want to test it on ground and also we want to listen out to the customer preferences. After that, whatever changes they suggest to us, accordingly we'll come to the online platform and we'll prepare a catalog and that catalog will be released officially. And after that, all the sales will be increased through that online platform.
तो अभी तक कुछ ऐसे सजेशन जो आप शेयर करना चाहो, कुछ मिले आपको ऐसे सजेशन जिससे आपकी सेल्स इंक्रीज हो पाए, या कुछ ऐसे सजेशंस जिनको आपने इनकॉर्पोरेट किया आने वाले टाइम के लिए?
So like definitely we have some few products. They want more products. Like for example, right now we have suction mugs. So people are asking for more kind of coffee mugs. So that is one thing. They're also asking for some sort of different designs for hoodies, for wind cheaters, for sweatshirts. So these are some suggestions from the student side. We are also gonna launch the stationery items as well at the same time for like for example diaries or for example like pens and all. So they've also suggested few designs for that as well.
Okay.
So there are a lot of stuff to be launched in future.
So इनके पास जो भी कस्टमर आता है वो आइडिया जरूर छोड़ के जाता है
Okay.
कि ये जरूर करना. Everyone wants to. तो इनको क्या होता है, ये सारे आइडियाज नोट करते हैं एंड देन ये टीम में डिस्कस करते हैं यार ये विजिबल है या नहीं है.
Okay.
हर चीज ये करने लग गए तो इनको पता है इनकी भाई कॉस्टिंग इनको बेयर करनी है. This is the biggest learning I guess these people are understanding.
How a student can participate in this? You have to have some invitation in the classes, or they people are asking for you. You do have separate department for this.
So join in the sense right now हमने क्या था initially interest form float करा था. There are very कई सारे लोग आए थे. उसमें से हमने few students को जो actually में seriously काम करना चाहते हैं उन लोगों को select करा.
Do you have selection criteria also for this?
या selection criteria था. एक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपके पास थोड़ा सा टाइम एक्सटेंड होना चाहिए, इसलिए सब कोई जो भी होगा ये एमबीए में है तो फर्स्ट ईयर का होगा, सो दैट ये सेकंड ईयर में टीम अपनी आप खुद तैयार कर सके रादर देन हम लोग एंटर करें और फिर से टीम क्रिएट करें. दीज पीपल नीड टू क्रिएट. तो वहाँ पे एचआर के लेसन्स आ जाएंगे.
कितने बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया अभी तक इसमें?
ये हमारे 6 बच्चे 6 स्टूडेंट्स आर मैनेजिंग.
Only 6
स्टूडेंट्स आर.
अगर इसको और बड़े लेवल पे लेके जाना है तो क्या 6 स्टूडेंट इनफ है?
नहीं,
अभी
6 तो ये कोर टीम है सर.
ओके,
ठीक है. 6 कोर टीम है, इनके अंडर में हम कई सारे वॉलंटियर्स और इंटर्नशिप के लिए ये लोग वो कर रहे हैं. यश बेटर बताएंगे इस पे.
सर जैसे हमने देखा कि अभी हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट लिया था फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज तो वी वर रिक्वायरिंग दैट इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट. फॉर दैट वी हैव 6 to 7 people who are looking after this inventory management thing. Apart from that, if I talk about marketing, then definitely for handling the social media marketing or for handling the designs.
Yes.
Because design in itself is a very
Yes.
big deal, to be honest. So for that we have around 7 to 8 people
Okay.
working under this core committee of Campus Vibe.
इस साल का टारगेट क्या है?
So let's see how things works, but break even सर हम जून जुलाई के आसपास reach कर जाएंगे, like break even point वहाँ
And what about the profitability?
profitability से उसके बाद हो जाएगी.
We have talked many of the students over here. We too have talked about the infrastructure, about the faculty, about the ROI. The final set of students are here in front of me. Please better your name and you are from where?
My name is Arnav Bhatt and I'm from Dehradun and I'm a student at UPS School of
For which
Business
course?
and MBA.
Oh, MBA. And your name
Second.
and you are from? And for which course you are belong?
My name is Siddhant Langen. I am from Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay.
And I am pursuing MBA in UPS Dehradun.
So you have already passed or you are currently studying here?
We're currently studying here. We are in the last semester of our course.
Please tell me something about the placements over here. Means how is the placement in UPS Dehradun?
Before placement, we have 1 month dedicated time period for where they are grooming the students, where we have our aptitude classes and GD and mock interviews. And in the month of August it is. Then from September onwards, the companies start coming in, and it is good. Like there is a plethora of companies that the colleges
What type of
successfully
companies are coming
called in.
here?
I would say like for consulting, EY, KPMG, then for market research, Modor Intelligence,
Okay.
GMI, all sort of companies are there.
So do we have only national placement or international placements are also here?
There are like I'm placed at Texol Lubritech, which is in Sharjah, UAE.
Okay,
I'm
yes,
already placed,
okay,
so I received a pre-placement offer from Gandhar Oil Refinery, where I did my internship from.
So what about the package?
The package is around 28.5 lakhs
Okay.
INR.
Okay. And what about you?
I'm placed in Surya Biofuels,
Okay.
located in Zambia, southern part
Okay.
of Africa.
Okay.
And the package is around 25 lakhs.
So how is the placement scenario for each and every student? Maybe you are the brightest student over here and you got placements through your internship only, your PPO. But what about the students who are not that deserving or those who are on an average student?
I would say anybody who puts in efforts and doesn't let any opportunity go, and who is at different places at different times, you know, so looking out for opportunities. I think that person is deserving. As I said, that college support is there. They are grooming the students. They are with even the last student who is remaining. It is different story for every student. For somebody like me, I knew that I could make it count during my internship. I can work. But for somebody, their resume is very strong. For somebody, their communication is very strong. In the 1.5 year process, just before the placement starts, the thing is that college absorbs you and understands that where they have to put you and how they have to put you. That's the thing.
How UPS prepares you for the job market? Because as we all know that this job market is very competitive.
Basically, the mentors here and the career service department, in the first 1.5 years of half year of our course, they analyze what kind of a background, educational background they have, what kind of skill set they have. Along with that, they prepare us with the drives for such as resume drive, mock interviews. They analyze the students as per their skill sets and offer them a specific role and allow them to interview or participate in the placement process where they can utilize their skill set with the skill set they have learned here in the UPS campus.
What type of student we have in this UPS? Mostly students are from BTech background or from commerce background or from BA background.
Okay, it's a mix of things. I would say 30 to 40% you will find engineers, but that varies depending on the specialization you're in. But all kind of students, like we have students from arts.
What is the foremost requirement of the company? Means they required only the engineers part, or they required those who have some work experience?
That's not the case, because a lot of people have that thought in their mind. But the thing is, like a friend of mine, Divyaraj Gosai, he is from arts background and he got placed at GeoBP. And he also secured a pre-placement offer from Gandhar Oil Refinery. So if a student from arts background can do that, then anybody can do that. Definitely there's an advantage for those who have engineering degree. But
UPS is basically famous for the petroleum university. Means this is a petroleum university.
Yes.
So कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि petroleum की universities की वजह से जो companies हैं, oil and gas companies, वही ज़्यादा आती हैं?
No, it's not the case. I would say logistics and supply chain and aviation and then business analytics and this strategy KPMG strategy course, they are equally good. That
okay.
If you are calibrating them on the terms of placement, they're equally good. That they
in many of the university, I have seen that the companies which are coming for the placements are generally for the sales. What is the scenario here?
I would not say sales. I would rather put it in under the umbrella of marketing and research.
See, marketing means research, Sales is a part of marketing.
Exactly.
But do the companies are coming here for the research part also?
In the first semester, I got a live project that was through college only. So college is making sure that even during the classroom time of yours, you are getting that exposure and you are already working for a firm, so that when you are sitting for the internship or the placement after that, you have got the taste of the industry or the taste of how it is working for a firm.
Those who are watching your videos, क्या सजेस्ट करते हो बच्चों को कि क्या प्लेसमेंट का सिनेरियो क्या है, एक्चुअल सिनेरियो क्या है? बिकॉज आप कुछ वैसा ना बोलने की कोशिश करें जैसा ऑफ कैमरा बोलते हैं बच्चे, लेकिन प्लीज थोड़ा सा
I'll spit some few facts here. You have to work on yourself. Paying 15, 20, 25 lakhs, any amount in any college doesn't make sure that you'll get a job. It is only for you to get into that college. Then you have to work on yourself, and then you have to take the leverage from the existing infrastructure, the facilities, and the faculties. So be after them, just be after them, and even for small things, just be after them. Try to develop an acumen of the market, how things work, how sales work, how supply chain work, how distributor retailers, how these things work.
One more question for you. What is the ROI over here? Return on investment. जैसे उन्होंने बोला 20, 22, 25 लाख रुपए खर्च करेगा बच्चा, आपको लगता है ROI is good?
As we can see, we both are placed about 20 lakhs. Both have the CTCs about 20 lakhs. ROI is completely, as mentioned in the brochures or in the initial interviews that happens with the students. So it's ROI is actually good here. So the thing is, the students also have to give some input to gain that kind of ROI. It's not like that the college is completely dependent for that on. You should be dependent on college for that.
So one last question from my side. What is the on an average package here?
60-70% of our batch is placed. So we can't, give that figure until.
What is the highest package?
28.5.
28.45 is the highest package.
So far, like there could be somebody else like in the coming weeks.
And what about the minimum? Means जिससे कम कंपनी एंटर नहीं करेगी कैंपस के अंदर?
I think 6 to 7 lakhs has been there.
6 to 7 से नीचे कंपनी नहीं आती जनरली.
I've seen there.
Okay. कल कहाँ से हो आप?
पटना बिहार.
पटना बिहार. यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स की फैसिलिटी कैसी है?
बहुत अच्छी है.
यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर
अच्छे से प्रोवाइडेड है, फैकल्टीज है जो आपको सपोर्ट करती है, सीनियर प्लेयर्स हैं जो कि 5th ईयर के हैं, सारे अच्छे से आपको आइडल बन के टीच करते हैं सब अच्छे से.
कोचेस की फैसिलिटी कैसी है?
कोचिंग की फैसिलिटीज भी अच्छी है, यूनिक के प्लेयर्स है जो हमें कंटिन्यू मॉनिटर करते रहते हैं.
ओके. किस तरह के कंपटीशन यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है?
कंपटीशन बहुत टफ है. जैसे अभी हमारा जो लास्ट टूर्नामेंट हुआ उसमें भी हमें देखने को मिला काफ़ी टफ था. परफॉर्मेंस सबकी A to Z सारी अच्छी है. कोई भी किसी में देखने को नहीं मिला कि हाँ ये लाइट है, नहीं सब एक दूसरे के बराबर चल के लेके चले.
ये जो स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी है ये हर एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए है?
हाँ जी, हर एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए, जिसको जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है आइए, आप ट्रायल दीजिए.
क्या क्या फैसिलिटी है यहाँ पे क्रिकेट के अलावा?
क्रिकेट के फैसिलिटीज के अलावा बाकी फुटबॉल है, बाकी भी दोली में अवेलेबल है, बाकी बैडमिंटन है, सब कुछ सारे स्पोर्ट्स अवेलेबल है जितने हो सकते.
ओवरऑल एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटी कैसा है यूनिवर्सिटी का?
ओवरऑल एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटी भी अच्छी है यहाँ की. कैंपस लाइफ भी सही है, जो एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं उसके साथ A to Z सारी चीजें.
जो सोच के आए थे यूनिवर्सिटी में वैसा ही सब कुछ है या
सोच वही
डिफरेंट दिखाई दे रहा है?
जी, जो सोच के आया था वैसी की वैसी है, जो एकदम आइडियल सोच के आया था वही की वही है.
ये जो फैसिलिटी आप बता रहे हो ये सिर्फ बॉयज के लिए है, गर्ल्स के लिए भी है?
गर्ल्स के लिए भी है, क्योंकि जब हमारे मेंस के टूर्नामेंट होते हैं तो गर्ल्स के भी साथ में होते हैं.
ओके.
ये उनका फुटसाल होता है, हमारा भी पहले फुटसाल होता था, हमारा फुल है, उनका फुटसाल है.
तो ये कुछ बच्चों से बातचीत करने की कोशिश करी और समझने की कोशिश करी कि यूपीएस देहरादून में क्या हाल है स्पोर्ट्स का, किस तरह के बच्चे हैं जो पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं कॉम्पिटिशन्स में, और इस तरह के बच्चों को ही आगे बढ़ाने का काम यूनिवर्सिटी लगातार कर रही है. कुछ और पूछना है, किसी और तरह का सजेशन लेना है तो बच्चों से डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करिए और पूछिए कि स्पोर्ट्स की फैसिलिटी के बारे में, ओवरऑल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में आप हमें हमारे नंबर पर कभी भी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू. थैंक्स अ लॉट. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू.